Emergency iPhone update. iOS 18.7.7 fixes dangerous DarkSword hack. Stop what you're doing and check your iPhone settings right now. Apple just released an emergency update, iOS 18.7.7, and it isn't about new emojis or battery life. It's about a digital weapon called DarkSword, and it's been actively used in the wild.
The Google Threat Intelligence Group discovered this exploit chain. They found that surveillance vendors and even state-sponsored actors have been using DarkSword to target iPhones running iOS 18.4 all the way to 18.7.
This isn't a theoretical bug. It's a tool for real-world attacks. We're talking about the kind of exploit that can bypass your security and give hackers access to your most private data. Normally, once a new version like iOS 26 is out, Apple focuses all its energy there. Initially, they only patched this for older devices like the iPhone XS and XR, but today, things changed. Apple has backported this fix. That means the threat is serious enough that they want every iPhone still on iOS 18 to be protected immediately. If you haven't made the jump to iOS 26 yet, you are currently in the line of fire.
Here is what you need to do. Go to your Settings, General, and Software Update. You should see iOS 18.7.7, build 22H340. If you see an option for iOS 26, that's even better. Apple's official stance is that iOS 26 offers the most advanced security architecture to stop these kinds of attacks before they even start. But at the very least, get on 18.7.7 right now.
It's rare to see a security-only update get this much urgency behind it. Don't wait for the automatic update to run in the middle of the night. Do it manually now. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.